The work-life balance here is special. The mentality of people is different than on the mainland. Like, this is an island, and island people are very different. They are chilled. So this is a very laid-back place, so people aren't in a rush to get things done, which again can be a pro or con depending on what you're trying to achieve. But generally speaking, if you have a very hectic profession, if you are an entrepreneur and you're really working hard to make an income, to build a business and to succeed, guess what? It's nice to have this calmness right outside.